On the mysterious Fruity-Cheese-Dino-Park Island, scientists used dark science to bring to life massive creatures made of cheese and fruit. They were driven by a desire to create a unique and thrilling tourist attraction, but their ambition ultimately led to disaster. The scientists used a combination of genetic engineering and cloning to create the creatures. They started with small animals, such as mice and rabbits, and gradually increased the size and complexity of the creatures they created. At first, the experiments were successful. The scientists were able to create cheese and fruit creatures that were lifelike and even had some basic cognitive abilities. However, as they grew more ambitious, the experiments began to go wrong. The creatures became increasingly unstable and aggressive. They also started to grow rapidly, soon reaching sizes that the scientists could not control. One day, a containment breach allowed the creatures to escape into the park. The creatures quickly overwhelmed the park's security and began to wreak havoc. Tourists and staff were attacked and devoured. The creatures also destroyed the park's infrastructure, leaving it in ruins. The scientists tried to stop the creatures, but they were no match for the massive and powerful beasts. The Fruity-Cheese-Dino-Park disaster was a cautionary tale about the dangers of unchecked scientific ambition. It also showed the importance of respecting the natural world and the laws of nature. In the aftermath of the disaster, the Fruity-Cheese-Dino-Park Island was quarantined. The creatures that roamed the island were eventually hunted to extinction, but the island remains a dangerous and uninhabitable place. The Fruity-Cheese-Dino-Park disaster is a reminder that we must be careful when we tamper with the natural world. We must also be mindful of the consequences of our actions, both for ourselves and for future generations.